Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wells Fargo online banking for sending wire and check images, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your Wells Fargo online banking for sending wire transfers and check images, first, ensure you have an active Wells Fargo. Visit the Wells Fargo website and log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the home page. Select the account from which you would like to send wire transfers. Look for the Wire Transfers option in the menu, usually found under Transfers or Payments. Click on Wire Transfers to access the Wire Transfer Setup page. Here, you will see options for setting up both domestic and international wire transfers. Choose the appropriate option based on your needs. Fill in the required information for the recipient, including their name, bank account number, and routing number. Review all entered details to ensure accuracy. After confirming the information is correct, proceed to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the wire transfer setup. Next, to configure sending check images, return to the main account dashboard. Locate the Document Upload or Check Images section within your account settings. Select the option to upload or send check images. Follow the online instructions to upload the check image you wish to send. Make sure the image is clear and meets the specified format requirements. Once your check image is uploaded, confirm any additional information needed to complete the process. Review the transaction and check the details to ensure everything is correct. Finally, submit the transaction for processing. You should receive a confirmation that your wire transfer and check image submission are successful. For any issues, refer to the Wells Fargo Help section or contact customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.